guys, it is time. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think I'm about to make. I got my avocados, I got my bananas, and I have my blender. So comment right now, let me know what y'all think I'm about to make. And I'll see y'all in my next clip. Alright. Alright, so I had to buy a new blender because I lost the cup to my last one. Let's go. So guys, bananas have silica, which is good for our skin nails. So I'm definitely going to use bananas. I usually use eggs with it, but I don't have any eggs today, so I'm just going to do bananas and avocado. I always wait until the bananas. I use the ones that's getting rotten because I love bananas, so I always eat the ones that's still good. Then when they get rotten, I make my recipe. So I always try to make sure I get as much avocado as I can, so I'm gonna try to like cut all the stuff off. This is the good part. You can tell it's working because the avocado gonna burn. I still ain't told them what I'm making yet. So y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think I'm making. It's been a long day of work, but I am dedicated to my channel. I'm not going to sleep until I get at least one video out. Alright, so just showing y'all how I cut my pieces of avocado. And so I'm gonna cut this second one and I'll back to y'all when I start blending it up. Everybody wanna know how come I got such long, shiny hair. I make sure I do me a hair mask at least twice a month. At least twice a month. So I recommend this to anybody. Avocados are really good, and like I said, you can tell when they're working because they be burning. So, all right, we're using the Bella Basic blender. I used to like the this one too, but I forgot my cup, so we're just gonna use this one. Blending to do. It's getting ready. So satisfying. It's all done. Time to put it in my hair, guys, and see how I get this long, luxurious. Okay. All right, one thing that I make sure that I do is get it all over the roots. I'll make sure I do all my scalp first. And I'll make sure I get the ends. So avocado and bananas got potassium, it got silica, you got everything really that you need for your hair to be thick and strong. And I've been doing this for like, I've been doing this for about a year now. And don't worry, because when it itch or burn, it's not doing nothing but stimulating your scalp. It's not making your hair fall out or nothing. Because I literally put a bag on my head and leave it on there for hours. So there it is, guys. There's my hair mask. Avocado, banana, and I usually do eggs. But there's no eggs today. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it. I got all the avocado on my head. I used most of it. Out of here is almost gone, but some of you guys might have shower caps at home. I don't have shower caps, so I just use a plastic bag. And I tie it on, and I let it sit for like 4 hours. I'm not even gonna lie, I let it sit for like 2 to 4 hours. So that is it, guys. That is my avocado mask, and that is how my hair is so long and shiny and beautiful. It helps your hair stay strong and helps it grow. So I can already feel it itching and burning right now, but it's a good thing. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about the hair mask, and I will see you guys in my next video.